What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here from AIM Studios, and welcome to the second episode in this series where I'll be making a classic trance style track from start to finish. In this episode I'll be going over the percussion for the track, I'll be covering kick selection, processing and what type of kicks can work well in a style like this. I'll be creating elements such as the hat loops, ride, claps, shakers and random percussion hits while talking you through their placement in the track, the sounds I'm selecting and why. I'll be showing you how to create movement in your percussion as well as getting creative with pitching and frequency placement on random percussion hits. And we'll also be looking at processing such as delays, reverb, saturation, mixing and EQ, all of which will be done in real time with nothing pre-planned so that you get to see the full process in great detail from start to finish. So if you'd like to see how this sort of percussion is made for a track, then be sure to head over to allanmorrowstudios.com and grab your copy now.